Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we're going to do a quick video on a birthday gift that a viewer sent to me. If you're not aware, my birthday was December 29th. I am somewhat of a Christmas baby. So I always said I got the best Christmases growing up, but never had a birthday. But that's okay. It's not about the presents or anything like that. I always got off of school for my birthday, which is super cool. So it's a give and take. But anyway, I had a viewer send me a package for my birthday, and I wanted to share it on camera and express my thanks. Sent some pretty darn cool stuff. So this was in a bigger box. Just open this. I want to turn the camera on to show you guys. So this is a cigar box. It says, "The Big Payback," which I've never had these cigars before. Cool artwork on there. So you got some goodies in there. See, it says, "To Colonel Jeff Smith, happy birthday." Got some nice penmanship, but bear with me reading this because reading script is not something I do often. Dear Jeff, I've included something from each of my hobbies, everything from knives, shaving, fountain pens, and cigars. Enjoy everything, but the only thing I ask is if you do not plan on keeping any items, I ask that you give them away as a way to give back to the community. Otherwise, enjoy all the items here in the box. Sincerely, Scott. P.S. I have included Feather DE dual-edged blades. I believe DE stands for. Be careful. These are the sharpest dual edge you can get. Just let the weight of the razor do the work. So what he's talking about is these. These are double-edged razor blades by Feather. I have not used these before. I use a safety razor, actually all the time. I probably shave with a safety razor the most of all types of razors. I do use a straight razor occasionally, but realistically it's like maybe once every 2 months or so, just because it's such a process, takes a lot of time. But safety razors like this beautiful one that he sent me are very easy to use. So basically turn this opens up, and then you drop in a double-edged razor, okay, and then close it up. And you're gonna get a single blade that pokes out of either side. So you can use a single blade, and then if it starts getting dull or whatever, you can switch off and use the other side as well to finish, just in case it gets dull, like, you know, halfway through a shave or whatever. But whenever getting replacement blades, I just get whatever. I've never specifically looked into good and or not so good blades, so very interested in trying these Feather double-edged blades. So be very careful with that. And also, just a quick tip, if you do happen to use double-edged blades, or you're throwing out any razor blade, even utility blades, you should wrap it in tape before you throw it in the garbage. Because even though it's dull to you, it still usually has a point at some point, and it could still be very sharp and cut through garbage bags and cut garbage men and stuff like that. So take some duct tape or something heavy, electrical tape, and just wrap that blade before you throw it away. Quick tip for any blades, anything sharp you're throwing away, you should wrap it up just for the safety, you know, for garbage men and stuff. So that is awesome, very cool. Also sent me one of the cigars from this box, which I'm very excited to try. Again, it's a Payback, Room 101, the Big Payback. I've never seen this before. Very interested in trying this in the future. So thank you very much for that. As well as a very beautiful fountain pen. This one is by Lamy. I don't know the exact model, but just put some ink in this, and it writes beautifully. See if I can write something real quick. Just sign my name on the bottom here of the paper. Oh, might still need to flow a little bit. Yeah, still needs to flow a little bit. Some dry spots, but anyway, still a beautiful pen. I had it going before, but very cool. I love the pot clip on this. So very nice pen. And the last thing in the box is a very cool CRKT, which I've not seen before. This thing is a beast. This is the Buku. Super heavy. I've seen this. I saw this in the lineup when it came out, but I did not know exactly how heavy this thing is. I don't know offhand. Don't quote me on this, but it's got to be at least 6 ounces. It is a huge chunk of steel. Nice little frame lock. Interesting blade style, but very cool. So thank you again very much. I thought that was awesome. I will use all this stuff. Can't wait to try the cigar. And I will definitely use this probably later today. You got me curious about those Feather blades. I want to see how sharp they really are. So that is pretty much it. Thank you down below to anyone who wishes me a happy birthday, a happy belated birthday. I appreciate it. If you're curious, I am 34 years old. And I am curious to think what you guys thought I was as far as age. I know some of you out there probably thought I was younger, some of you probably thought I was older. So let me know down below how old you thought I was. But I am 34, and to be honest, I stopped counting after 30. When you're 18, it's a big thing. Actually, 13 is the first big year to me, in my opinion, because then you're an actual teenager. Then, of course, 18, you're an adult. 21, you can drink and all that kind of stuff. And then after that, it's pretty much every decade. You know, 30, 40, 50, 60. Those are all big years. But in between, doesn't really matter to me. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Take care.